Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Firefox 65, which was released on January 29th. This is the first major browser update in 2019. In this video, I'm going to cover some of the key changes in this new browser update. First up, enhanced tracking protection. Mozilla has redesigned and simplified content blocking settings, giving users various options to control online trackers. If you click on the eye information icon in the address bar on any web page, it'll display what Firefox detects and blocks on that web page. For example, if I click on trackers, it'll list down the trackers. Similarly, if I go to cookies, it'll display tracking and third-party cookies. If you click on this gear icon, you'll see the new redesigned content blocking section. And here are the three options available. The standard option blocks known trackers in private browsing mode. The strict option is for users who want a little more protection and don't mind if some of the sites break. And finally, the custom option is for users who want complete control to pick and choose what trackers and cookies they want to block. Next up, support for AV1 technology for a better video streaming experience for Windows users. AV1 is the next generation royalty-free video compression technology, allowing producers and consumers of content to access the best in video compression technology. You can read more about this new technology at David Bryant's blog. You'll find the link in the description section. Mozilla also introduced support for WebP image format in Firefox 65. WebP brings the same image quality as existing formats like PNG and JPEG, but at smaller file sizes, resulting in faster page loading as well as saving bandwidth. You can read more about it. You'll find the link in the description section. In the earlier version of Firefox, Mozilla had introduced a new performance management section. In Firefox 65, it has been revamped for easier performance management. You will now see memory usage for tabs and add-ons. This can be very useful to help identify a specific tab or add-on that may be slowing down your browser. Finally, an updated language section in Preferences for a better experience for multilingual users. In the General tab under Language and Appearance, users can install multiple language packs without having to download locale-specific versions. So these were some of the notable changes in Firefox 65. You can check the list of detailed changes in the release notes. You'll find the link in the description section. In terms of the BrowserMark benchmark test results, the overall performance of Firefox was a little better compared to the earlier version. On the other hand, Google Chrome continues to outperform. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, thanks for watching.